Hello friends, this is Ramashama here. So welcome back to the new series of Fullyworld web tutorials. So in this series we are going to create a audio player, and now you are seeing the audio player on the screen. So this one is the audio player, so that one basic we are going to create in our next video, and afterwards we are going to upgrade this music player. So we are going to add more features such as voice and voice control as well, and as well as we are going to add the authentication system using Firebase so that you can upload your musics as well. So this one we are going to create under this series. So we will start from this basic music player. So after creating this basic music player, so we are going to add some more other functionalities. So I will upgrade this music player by the time our video will be released. So now without wasting any time, so as this one is just an overview video, so let's see what is this simple music player so that we are going to create in the next video. So let's see it. So this one is a music player so that we are going to create in the next video, and I will upgrade this music player more before the upcoming video, and then we are going to make that functionality in that video under this series. So let's see the demo of it. So you can see this one very good screen of music player. So this one is just a simple basic custom music player, and you can see the playlist also. In the playlist we have 2 songs and 1 imagination song is active for now. So you can see this one is little more whitier, so that's why this means that this one is active. So now it's not playing, so it's active but it's not playing. So let's play it. So now you can see that we can play it and we can move it here like this. So we can move, we can forward the song like this one. So now when I will go to click on this one, so this will play our next song, and after that this will play our previous song. So let's play the next song, and here we have to press play button. So this one is the basic music player so that we are going to create in the next video, and afterwards we are going to upgrade it. So I hope you will like it, and so I will see you in the next video. So let's start creating this application. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. So let's create this music player.